What's going on, everyone? I'm just in my garage here. I've been in my house here for just over a month now, so everything's been good, but now I want to do something with my garage. So currently I got my truck out of here. I used to have it parked here and had all my toys here, but it kind of closed off a bunch of space over there, and I wanted to utilize that workbench a bit. So now what I'm gonna do, park my truck here. I'm gonna have to move this vent here though, so I can walk by because it's pretty tight. Maybe have a couple feet of clearance between my bumper and the wall. So anyways, I'm gonna move my truck from over here to here, have my toys there, and then I'm gonna make this back corner a bit of almost like a hangout area. So what I'm envisioning is I'm going to paint this wall black as like an accent wall, then this wall, and then the ceiling is going to be white. We're going to have this black wall, and instead of mudding and taping everything, I'm just going to use this baseboard trim as batten, and put batten on all the vertical seams and make it like an accent wall. So stay tuned. I just fired up the heating unit because it's a bit chilly now. It's September 30th right now, so I'm starting to get to work. But yeah, I'm gonna tackle this one wall at a time. I'm gonna do this one first. And at the end, probably gonna mount a big flat screen on the wall. And then what we're gonna do is get a big L couch or something off Facebook Marketplace, and just kind of have it like there, and then have that door open so you can use it to go outside. But yeah, super excited. Also we're gonna wire up some more lights just because it's a little dark in here. And these old boughs that I have in these 8-foots there and there are burnt out. So gonna get new ones in here and make it a lot brighter, but it's gonna look awesome when it's all done. First thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm going to have to take all the nails and stuff out of the walls, all the screws, and then I'm gonna have to move this vacuum unit. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just mount it higher on the ceiling so we can walk underneath it. Because right now, when my truck's in here, I have to crouch to go in. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm super excited to start this, and I think it'll be well worth it when it's all done. What's going on, everyone? Little update here. Making some big progress. So last you guys seen, I just had everything original the way it was. First thing I did was I took everything off the wall, took off the vacuum that was there, all the piping. So I got it here. I'm gonna reroute the PVC, put it a lot higher up in my ceiling so I can walk underneath it behind my truck. So I'm gonna get some black PVC to make it look nice. I'm gonna repaint this canister and clean it up, make it look good, get it to blend in with the wall. So this whole wall is gonna be black, and I'm gonna do the ceiling black as well. And then we're gonna be white wall. I just picked up this fridge yesterday, so it'll be perfect. Nice little Facebook Marketplace find, so got that last night. Got all the board and batten up here now. The only thing I have to do is to get some dimensional lumber. Essentially, what I'm gonna do is take this trim, but I need something to back it so I can get a nice flush look. So, go to the hardware store tomorrow and get some lumber for that. And then all I have left to do is to fill the nail holes on my baseboards, and then do a little bit of caulking along any gaps. But yeah, it's coming along good. I have to prime it, and then my primer, I put a tint in it, so hopefully 1 coat, for sure 2 coats of black paint, it'll be perfect. But yeah, stay tuned. Little update here. We just finished painting the wall. Looks awesome. Doing some good old redneck painting here. Instead of buying new covers for the thermostat, got her trim clad black. Don't come at me, I know it's not plastic paint, but it'll do. Just going to now get this knob painted on here, then they'll be all nice. I gotta replace all the plugs with black ones, so gonna maybe go pick those up this afternoon. And yeah, Now I'm gonna get this fridge moved over here and put it in the place. And all these old lights are coming down. I got 8-foot LED bar lights, and I got 10 of them. So I'm gonna go 3 rows of 24 feet because the garage is 25 by 22. So we're gonna have them going widthwise. Gonna start prepping for that. What I wanna do is build a little enclosure for the fridge. So basically have trim that would come out kind of like right here, kind of box in the fridge a little bit, and I'll paint it black to match the wall and anchor it to the wall. So it'll clean up this a bit. And then I'll have to get a mount for the TV to go on the wall. And then it's a little bit further down the road, but I have 2 like skidoo bar stools that I want to have like sitting here. So maybe build like a bench or put a fireplace or something across. And then I can put my stools here. And then I gotta be on the lookout for a nice couch that I could put right here. So that's it for this wall almost. Next I'm gonna start with is the ceiling because my lights are coming on Monday. So I'm gonna start patching up all these nail holes, and then take down these old ballasts and prep for the new lights to go in. Got the fridge moved in, cleaned it out. Actually a nice unit for Facebook Marketplace. No complaints here. Just wired in some new black plugs. The face plates I bought are like the larger ones, so they won't fit in my notch. So I'm gonna have to go and get some smaller plates so I can fit them in there, but those are done. Next up, what I'm gonna do here is take this vacuum. I'm gonna pop this top off because this is all graded, so I don't get paint inside, but I'm gonna basically paint this whole thing black too. This is gonna be the end of part 1. Made a decent amount of headway here. Next, I might do it in 2 parts, one when everything's trimmed, and then maybe just do a final part, but this is what I got so far. Got everything on this side pretty much trimmed up, ready to go. Got my new lights, pretty rad. They're 5,000K. They turned out actually quite nice. We took out all the old ballasts and stuff that I had mounted right here. Mounted right here, and then there was another one right there above the bench, so got those all taken down. First set of lights, temporary, wired into the outlet there. Just gotta finish putting these long pieces on so I can do my middle row of lights. But crazy how much this one set alone like lit up the garage. It's impressive, I'd say. So looking forward to it. Well, overall, pretty excited, and yeah, it's just really tedious and time consuming making everything nice and making the fit and finish good. This is kind of a new video for me. I kind of want to document the process for what I do in here, and maybe it could give someone else some inspiration to do in their own shop as well. So thanks guys, catch you later.